Welcome to multi-calendar appointment booking board. So in this quick demo, I'm going to show you how you can use the same chat widget or conversation AI to book on multiple calendars. So just get started. Here, in here, so here you can see I have three calendars and the names of these calendars are coming from a custom value. So if you want to change the team member's name, all you have to do is go into your custom values and update the name here. So then it would also reflect on the calendar. And now I'm going to take you through the calendars. So we have three calendars as I explained to you earlier. The first calendar is for James, and you can see he's only available on Mondays and Tuesdays. And the second one is John, and he is available on Wednesdays and Thursdays. And the third one is Jane, and she is available on Fridays and Saturdays. So these are three calendars that we are working with, and we are going to ask our conversation AI to book in one of these calendars depending on their live availability. So that's what we are going to see. So let's jump into the demo itself. So here is my chat widget, and I'm simply going to say hi. And you can see I have received a reply. Are you looking for info about our tattoo services or interested in booking an appointment? So this chatbot can be used for a tattoo studio, a salon, and any place where you have multiple team members involved. And then if you want to book into their calendars, you can use this chat widget. So let's just say now I want to book an appointment and for the earliest date, and doesn't matter who is the team member. So let's try that scenario. So I just said I need an appointment for the earliest slot, please. Now you would see what the AI would come back with. So now the AI is asking me, could you let me know what type of tattoo you are interested in? This helps me to match with the right team member or the right artist. So let's assume that I just want to get it done irrespective of the artist. So let's say I just need to get it done by today or tomorrow. Let's assume that I'm in a hurry and I want to get a tattoo done like today itself. Let's see what that comes back with. Thanks for sharing. Jane has the earliest available slots today and tomorrow. Can I get your name? So today is, if we go to Jane's calendar, you can see today is 12th and Jane is the one who's available on today and tomorrow. And if you go to John, John is not available on today, which is 12th. And if you go to James, he's also not available on 12th. So what AI said is correct. So, but let's test it out. Sure, my name is Jatin, and one more question. I had my last appointment with James. When is he available? So I'm just going to ask you like when James is available. Is he on today or tomorrow? So now the AI is saying James' next available slot starts from Monday, September 15th. So if we go to James' calendar, you can see he is available on the 15th, which is correct. So now you can see the reply is James' next available slot is on 15th of September, which is the Monday. Would you like to wait for James or go ahead with Jane today or tomorrow? So now you can see I have multiple options now. I can book in either James' calendar or inside Jane's calendar. So like I said earlier, I can just go ahead with Jane's booking for today itself. So I'm going to say, sure, let's do today. So now you can see AI has come back with the answer. Jane has time slots available at 11, 11:30, 12, and every half an hour until 4:30. So I just asked what about 3 p.m. So then Jane is available at 3 p.m. today. Could you please provide your email and phone number so that I can transfer you for final booking? So this is where the transfer happens. So there are three dedicated agents for booking in each calendar. So once you give all the details, it will be transferred to another agent where this calendar booking will be taken care. And you can also cancel the appointment if you want to, or reschedule it if you want to. So now the agent has captured the name, email address, and phone number. Now it is going to do the booking in the backend because I have already given the date and time and the right agent. So this is what is happening in the backend now. If it is taking time, you can also ask questions. Is it booked? So then it comes back with your appointment with Jane is booked for today at 3 p.m. If you need to change the date or cancel it, you can ask here itself. So this is how easy it is for you to book under multiple calendar using one agent. So now we are going to take this one step higher, and I'm going to assume that this is a really bad customer, and I'm going to push the bot to its limits. I'm going to cancel this appointment and I'm going to book on another team member's calendar. So that's what I'm trying to do now. So and now I'm saying that I don't want to have the appointment with Jane. I actually want the appointment with James. So let's see. So the AI agent is now telling me that you have an appointment on 12th September at 3 p.m. And I also have an appointment on 15th at 11 a.m. So this is one of the appointments I had booked earlier when I was testing. So even that came up on this conversation. So that's how aware this AI bot is. So then I'm gonna say, please cancel the one on 12th. So now it's asking for the reason, change of plans really. So now the 3 p.m. appointment on 12th is cancelled. So now I'm going to book appointment on a different team member's calendar. So I'm going to ask what date James is available. So now this would ideally go back to the main agent who has all the availability. So let's say, let's do 16th. Great, James is available on September 16th. What time works for you? He has 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Okay, so let's do 9 a.m. So James is available on Tuesday, 16th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Should I go ahead and book it for you? Yes, please. Your appointment with James is booked for Tuesday, 16th at 9 a.m. If you need anything else, just let me know. Thanks for that. So this is how easy it is for you to book appointment on multiple team members' calendar and check the live availability. So all of this is happening inside your account itself. As of now, we support up to 3 team members and 3 calendars. If you want, you can add more, but that needs an extra setup. But up to 3 calendars are already set up for you. All you have to do is just go and change the team member's name and your business information, add a knowledge base, and also tell a few things about your business and a few details about your team members as well. So that's all you need. And you can get started with this conversation AI bot for your business. So I hope you're going to implement this in your business as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.